When you search for BOPP film suppliers, do not treat every supplier listing as proof that the film will work in your package. First, define the application. The film roll, target thickness, surface treatment, print or lamination route, sealability, roll format, converting process, and destination market. Then ask the supplier to identify the exact proposed grade, current TDS, available sample format, MOQ, lead time, and any limits that still need a production representative trial. Confirm the expected inspection points and who will compare the trial roll with the approved control. A data sheet is useful, but ink, adhesive, heat seal settings, web tension, winding, and storage can change the finished result. Share your current sample or structure, application, and process route with CHALVO. We can help frame a focused BOPP film sample discussion and identify the evidence needed before approval. Thanks for watching.